Good morning. Let me share my screen. Yeah.
హలో బ్రో, టేబుల్ యాడ్ చేసిన తర్వాత డిలీట్ మళ్ళీ దాంట్లోనే ఎలా చేయాలి బ్రో? మీన్ ఒక ఎక్సెల్ షీట్ యాడ్ చేస్తాం అనుకోండి, దీంట్లో మళ్ళీ డిలీట్ ఎలా చేయాలి చెప్పండి.
ఓకే, ఎక్సెల్ షీట్. ఓకే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఎక్సెల్ షీట్ ఇలా లోడ్ చేశారు, దీన్ని డిలీట్ చేయడం ఎలాగానా?
అవును.
ఓకే, ఫర్
అంటే
ఎగ్జాంపుల్
ఉంది, బట్ డిలీట్ అయితే దాంట్లో చేసాం, మళ్ళీ యాడ్ చేసుకోవడానికి ఫస్ట్ నుంచి వెళ్ళాలా, లేకపోతే దాంట్లోనే ఆప్షన్ ఉందా అనేసి.
వన్స్ నువ్వు డిలీట్ చేసిన తర్వాత పవర్ బిఐలో వచ్చేసి కంప్లీట్ గా డిలీట్ అయి ఉంటుంది. అగైన్ యాడ్ చేయాలంటే సేమ్ గెట్ డేటాకి వెళ్ళేసి ఇక్కడ ఎక్సెల్ సింబల్ ఉంది కదా, ఎక్సెల్ సింబల్ ఇక్కడ పైన క్లిక్ చేసి మళ్ళీ యాడ్ చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది.
ఓకే, దీంట్లో మళ్ళీ ఆర్డర్, ప్రోడక్ట్, లొకేషన్ ఇలాంటివి ఉన్నాయి కదా బ్రో.
ఓకే,
ఇక్కడ ఇంకోటి ఏదైనా యాడ్ చేసుకోవాలంటే ఎలా బ్రో? మళ్ళీ ఇంకోటి
సేమ్ అగైన్
ఫీల్డ్,
సేమ్ ఇంకో టేబుల్ కావాలంటే ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళేసి మళ్ళీ ఏదైనా ఒక ఫైల్లో ఏ ఫైల్లో ఉంటుందో ఆ ఫైల్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసి అగైన్ లోడ్ చేయొచ్చు. మల్టిపుల్ టేబుల్స్, లిమిట్ ఏం లేదు, మల్టిపుల్ టేబుల్స్ ఎన్ని టేబుల్స్ అయినా లోడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, ఎన్ని ఎక్సెల్ ఫైల్స్ నుంచి అయినా లోడ్ చేయొచ్చు. డిలీట్ చేయాలంటే ఇప్పుడు ఆర్డర్స్ టేబుల్ ఉంది అనుకోండి, ఇక్కడ రైట్ క్లిక్ ఇస్తే ఇక్కడ మనకి డిలీట్ అని ఉంటుంది. డిలీట్ ఫ్రమ్ మోడల్ అని చేస్తే డిలీట్ అయిపోతుంది. ఓకే, అండ్ ఇక్కడ ఏదైనా మీరు డేటా కాపీ చేసుకోవాలంటే ఇక్కడ డేటా విండో ఉంది కదా, ఫస్ట్ ఇలా రిపోర్ట్ ఇక్కడ ఉంటాము, ఇక్కడ డేటా విండో క్లిక్ చేయండి. ఇక్కడ డేటా ఏదైనా ఈ పర్టికులర్ షీట్ లైక్ పర్టికులర్ టేబుల్ అనేది కాపీ చేయాలన్నప్పుడు ఆ టేబుల్ పైన క్లిక్ చేయండి, ఆర్డర్స్ టేబుల్. దీనికి ఎంటైర్ డేటా కాపీ చేయాలన్నప్పుడు రైట్ క్లిక్ ఇచ్చేసి ఇక్కడ కాపీ టేబుల్ అని ఉంటుంది, కాపీ టేబుల్ అనేస్తే ఎంటైర్ డేటా అనేది కాపీ అవుతుంది. అగైన్ ఏదైనా ఈ టేబుల్ నేమ్ రీనేమ్ చేయాలి, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి ఆర్డర్స్ ఫ్యాక్ట్ అని ఉంది. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు రీనేమ్ ఇట్, ఓకే, by using this rename option we can rename it, delete model, okay, hide in report view, hide చేయొచ్చు కావాలనుకుంటే. ఓకే, make as a date table, okay, this is different, okay, I'll explain. న్యూ మెజర్, న్యూ కాలమ్, ఇవన్నీ కూడా నేను చెప్తాను మళ్ళీ ఆప్షన్స్. okay, anyway, like okay, yesterday we have discussed some of the all the visuals we have discussed. Okay, Mickey, oka pro account kuda already I have sent that link. Okay, if you follow by following this video, you can create one pro account. Okay, if you want to import some like imported visuals, okay, pro account should be there. Okay, if you create pro account, okay, by using that you can access the server also. See, once you log in this, okay, the details you can see it like this. Okay, the mail ID, Power BI server. If you create like a pro account, further that mail ID can help to learn the server part also. Okay, without pro account you can't log into the server. Okay, please create one pro account and be ready with that. Okay, when we discuss that Power BI server, okay, that we can log into the server. Anyway, now, okay, we'll discuss some of the options now. Okay, let me create quickly one table visual. I'll take the table. Let me take country, region, state, and city. And let me select sales and profit. Okay, let me increase the font size. Okay. Now, if we come to this field, okay, you can see list of columns here, right? Okay, list of columns, we can see it here. Okay, if you right click on that any field, you can see a lot of options under here. Okay, first one, remove field. Okay, if you want to remove that field, okay, profit field, okay, we have selected profit field. If you want to remove that field, we can remove it. If you want to rename, okay, in the like in actual database, we may have different name. Okay, here we have profit. Okay, if you want to rename, okay. Oh, sales we have selected. Okay, sorry. Okay, in the actual tables under, like how we will be having means like DE. Okay, like this DE underscore sales hyphen a something we will be having in the actual database. We will be having like this. Okay, we'll be having like this. Okay, if you want to rename it to actual names like sales or total sales or something, okay, we can rename it. Okay, put it sales only. Okay, okay, let me increase the font. Okay, let me put it in focus mode. Okay, yeah, so we can rename it. Okay, if you want to move somewhere, like for example, sales is in this place. Okay, sales I want to move to this place. Okay, in the second place. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll click. Okay, if I click top, it will go to the beginning. Okay, let me check. Okay, see, sales, it's moved to the beginning. Before it was here. Okay, so if you want to move some column from here to here, okay, we can move it again. To bottom. Okay, keep bottom this side. Okay, towards right. Okay, again I'll put it back to same place. Where is move? Like up. If I click up, see, like this. Okay, if you want to move one column to some like towards right or left, okay, we can move it wherever we want. We can adjust it. Okay, and add sparkline. Okay, we'll not use the much this one. Okay, I'll show you what is this sparkline. Okay, now region wise. Okay, here like sum of sales, and I'll select region. Okay, like this some another column will create. Okay, another column will create based on the regions. It will show the sparkline. Okay, we'll not use much. Okay, we have option, that's it. And other important options. Okay, next important option is like a conditional formatting. Already we have seen, okay, some of the options. Okay, now we'll see clearly. Okay, background color. Okay, for the sales, I want to give some background color. Okay, like last time, yesterday, I think yesterday we have discussed it, right? In the formatting options also, there also we have these options. Like in these options also, we have it that. Okay, now lowest price. Now let me try custom. Okay, custom I'll give minimum value 100. Here we have option called like add middle color. Okay, mid color. Okay, minimum I am giving just 100. Center I'll give like some 1000, and highest value I'll give 2000. This is as per requirement, like client will give you. Okay, but now, yeah, Click OK. See, based on the like what we have given, right, number like min, max, and highest. Based on that values, it's showing the colors. Okay. Based on the sales value, you can give like if you want like green, we can give it green. If you like any minus values, we can give it some red color. Like that we can give it. And in the conditional formatting, we have like font color. Okay, font color also based on the values, we can change it. Okay. Now for the profit, we have data bars. Okay. You click the data bars, like a positive and negative values, we can, by default, it's giving some color, like positive bars, give it some green. And negative bars, give some red color. Now click OK. So it's giving like wherever we have minus values, it's giving red. If we scroll down, you can see green bars also. Okay, here like why it's not giving bar means it's giving very less because we haven't defined any numbers. Like we can define numbers also, like for this value we have given like a minimum value 400, mid 1000, 2000, right? Like that here also we can give it. Normally we'll give like this colors only, we will not use any bars and all. Okay, it will give bars and all, but like it's look like it will be like overlooking. Okay, no, normally we will not give this kind of bars and all. Like simply we can give like this colors and all. And profit. Okay, you go to the conditional formatting. If you want to remove some formatting, okay, yeah, okay, for example, right now we have given this bars, I want to remove these bars. Okay, then how we can remove is we have option called remove conditional formatting. If you click all it will get removed, like whatever formatting we have created for that field, no, entire formattings will get removed. Okay, as of now we have created only one. Okay, data bars. Okay, if you select that, data bars will get removed. Okay, and if you go to the conditional formatting, again we have data bars, we have done icons. Okay, icons we use it. Okay, if you see the icons, see here we have selected sum of profit, right? Sum of profit. Based on the sum of profit, it's showing. If you see these styles, see we have a lot of styles. Whichever we want, we can select it. Okay, like if you want like more sales, like this mark, we can use it. This down arrow, like up arrow, this also we can use it. Else you can use this red, yellow, and green and all. Now here we can give some values. Okay, let me see what values we have it. Okay, we are valuing 21, and minus values also we have it. Okay. Okay, okay, we have minus values also. Now let me go to this conditional formatting and icons. We can create the conditions here. Okay, can create the conditions. I'll create. Okay, here greater than or equal to 0. Now I'll select, okay, greater than or equal to 0, and less than or equal to 33. Okay, no, I'll give some 100. Here I'll put it is blank. Okay, minus values and all. Oh, only blanks it will come. Okay, greater than, okay, only greater than we are having option. Okay, let me put it, okay, greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 100. Okay, if we have like say profit like less than or equal to 100, red color. Okay, now greater than or equal to 101 and less than or equal to some 1000. Okay, this color. You have to select numbers. Okay, here like percentage is there. Okay, based on percentage, not percentage. Okay, let me select number based on the numbers. Numbers means like profit numbers. Okay, in all these boxes I'm selecting numbers. If you want to select percentage, based on percentage it will give the result. Now 1000. Now I'll give 1100 and less than or equal to some 5000. I'll give. Here also I'll select number. Here also I'll select number. Okay, let me click OK. Now see the bars like this. Okay, so if you want to give like this kind of button, this kind of symbols and all, okay, create. We have a lot of symbols. Okay, by using that option, like where we can add it the icons. Okay, different styles. Okay, I want to select different. Let me select this. Okay, click OK. See, like this arrow marks and all, we can use it. Okay, next sales. Okay, don't summarize. Okay, next option is don't summarize. Okay, if you click don't summarize, you can see what it will happen. Before, like if you click the summarize, summarize country, central region, state, under this state, city, what is the sales, it's it was like summing. Okay, చూడండి ఇక్కడ మనకి ఫస్ట్ లైన్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. యునైటెడ్ స్టేట్స్, సెంట్రల్, స్టేట్, సిటీ ఎంత సేల్స్ ఉంది అనేది చూడండి. ఇక్కడ ఒక లైన్ ఐటమ్ రిపీట్ అయిందా? సేమ్ డేటాబేస్ లో వాల్యూస్ రో వైజ్ ఎలా ఉంటాయి, ఇక్కడ కూడా సేమ్ ఇది రిపీట్ అయింది. అదే సమ్మరైజ్ చేస్తే మనకి ఈ రీజను, స్టేట్, సిటీ అంతా ఎక్కడ ఒక లైన్ లో చూపిస్తుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇవంతా కూడా సేమ్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ వరకు టాప్ లో సేమ్. డేటాబేస్ లో మనకి రో వైజ్ ఎలా డేటా ఉంటుందో సేమ్ అలాగే చూపిస్తుంది. డోంట్ సమ్మరైజ్ క్లిక్ చేస్తే, సమ్మరైజ్ అని క్లిక్ చేస్తే 796 నుంచి ఈ 2 రూపీస్ లేక 2.63 వరకు సమ్ వేసి మనకి ఒక నంబర్ గా చూపిస్తుంది. ఓకే, 7 ఇక్కడ 7. ఓకే, 800, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18. ఓకే, అరౌండ్ 19 to 2000, అరౌండ్ లైక్ 1900 రావాలి. ఇది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. సెంట్రల్, ఈ యొక్క సిటీ. ఇఫ్ ఈ సమ్మరైజ్, where is that? Okay, it gone somewhere. ఓకే, సమ్మరైజ్ చేస్తే చూడండి ఇక్కడ మనకి ఈ పర్టికులర్ సిటీ అనేది మనకి ఒకసారి రిపీట్ అవుతుంది. అంటే ఈ పర్టికులర్ సిటీలో ఉన్నటువంటి సేల్స్ అన్ని సమ్ అయ్యేసి మనకి ఈ పర్టికులర్ సిటీలో టోటల్ సేల్స్ వచ్చేసి 7838. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ యూ క్లిక్ డోంట్ సమ్మరైజ్, మనకి డేటాబేస్ లో రో వైజ్ ఎలా ఉందో డేటా ఆ విధంగా చూపిస్తుంది. ఓకే, నార్మల్లీ వీల్ యూస్ summarize only, okay, by default. Okay, if you want to give average, now if you want to show like average, click on that. We have option called average sales. Click on average. For that particular city, this is the average sales. 178 is the average sales. Okay, and if you want to give min and max value, you can give it. What is the min value? Okay, for that particular city, what is the min value? If you select that, see, in this city, min value is the 2 rupees, 2.663. Okay, 2 rupees. If you want to see the max value of this city, okay, max sales of this city, right click and select here maximum. See, in this city the max sales is 796. In this city max sales is 54. So like this we can change it as per our requirements. Then counter distinct.
Sir,
Yeah,
sir,
please.
if you want to add columns like maximum, minimum, average, we can
Mhm.
add it, right, sir?
Separate columns, right?
Separate columns.
Yeah, we can add it. That is by using dax functions we can add it. Okay,
Oh,
while
okay,
discussing
thank you.
dax functions I'll explain.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Now if you want to give like count distinct, we can use it. Count also we can use it. If we give the count distinct, see what will happen. Count distinct value it will give. And count also, like how many cities are there, like that. Okay, entire cities will count. Okay, this lines of 44 times it's repeating this city. Okay, it's giving the count. So then this under like a kind of mathematical calculation, standard deviation you can give it, like variance, median, that also you can use it. Normally we will use for the sales and profit, we'll use only sum. Okay, put it back to sum. And yeah, show value as no calculation, we can use it, but we will not use it normally. Okay, always we'll use sum. Okay, sum or average, we'll use it. New measure and all we'll discuss. Okay, new measure means like kind of dax functions we have to create. That part we'll see it later. Now we'll start another topic called like filters. Okay, let me take some water. Yeah. Yeah, okay, now we will discuss about the filters. We have this here, right? Like filters, we have different filters. Okay, we'll discuss that filters now. Okay, let me go to that Excel file. Okay, like Power BI has 4 different kind of filters, allowing you to apply the filters on 4 different levels. It can be applied during an influence BI dashboards or report. What is the filter? First, filters means we are selecting some certain database, I mean certain data, certain fields. For example, okay, let me show you this. Yeah. Yeah, I have this visual. Okay, in this visual, like we have like all 4 regions. If I want to select only one particular region, you can, like always in that page, in all these reports or something in particular visual, if you want to show only west region, you can use the filters. Okay, it will restrict the data. Okay, if we select only west region, it will show only west region. If you select east region, you can show the east region data. Okay. Now we'll see practically. Now we have 4 types of filters, right? Okay. One is visual level filters, another one is page level filter, and another one is report level filter. Okay. We'll see first like visual level filter. Okay. Visual level filter is applied to a visual only. Okay. If you apply the visual level filter, that filter will apply for only for that particular visual. Okay. Visual nothing but like one visual we have created, right? Kind of bar chart and different charts. Okay. Now let me change to other thing, this one. Okay. Let me remove segment. We have profit also, right? Okay. Profit region. Yeah, I'll remove segment. Now here you can see filters on this visual. Okay, filters on this visual. Okay, let me select this first visual. Now filters on this visual. If we add some columns to here, like by mistake, like while creating the visuals by default, it will show like in this visual we have used region column, sales column, and segment. 3 columns we have used it. Okay. Now if you want to show only west region, okay, if you want to show only west region, then click on this arrow mark. Here you can select only west region. See, let me hide this and show you. Okay, only filters. See, so we have selected west. It's showing it's applying for this particular visual. Again, you can see it here all the regions like west region, east region, south region, and central. All the regions we can see it. But in this particular visual, only for this particular visual, if you want to apply some filters, okay, if you want to apply for some filters, you can use this filters on this visual. Okay, you can see this heading filters on this visual. We can call it as like here you can see visual level filter. We can call it as like filters on this visual. Here heading we can see filters on this visual, or say like for this filter we can call it as like visual level filter. If you apply any filter on this visual level filter, that filter will applicable for only particular visual. Okay, let's assume like in this page we have other like visuals also. Okay, let me create quickly. Okay, else okay, let me copy paste that this table visual only here. Let me copy and okay, I'll paste it to here. Okay, and let me adjust this size. Okay, okay, else okay, let me now see if I select this filter. Okay, filter, I selected west region. So yes, we are seeing only west region. Here you can see all the regions. Here also we have all the regions. Okay, if we scroll down, you can see central, east. You can observe all the regions we have it. Okay, now if I select east, see east and west we are seeing. East and west we are seeing. Okay, like this, if you want to apply some filters for only particular visual, okay, particular visual, we can use it this visual level filters on this visual. Okay, now I want to apply the filter for all these visuals. Okay, in this page whatever visuals we will have, no, for all the visuals I want to apply one filter. Okay, for that we can use this page level filter. Okay, page level filter is applied to the whole page. Okay, for the entire whole page this filters will get it will apply. Okay, now we'll see practically. Now filters on this visual. Okay, filters on this page. Okay, filters on this page. Okay, okay, we have not added any filters here, but in this visual level filter by default whatever columns we will add it, no, that columns will show it here. I mean ఈ యొక్క విజువల్ క్రియేట్ చేయడానికి మనము రీజన్ కాలం అనేది యూజ్ చేసాము, సేల్స్ కాలం అనేది యూజ్ చేసాము, సెగ్మెంట్ అనేది యూజ్ చేసాము. కాబట్టి బై డిఫాల్ట్ ఈ ఫిల్టర్స్ లో యాడ్ అయ్యి ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, ఈ పేజ్ లెవెల్ ఫిల్టర్ కి మనము ఇంకా ఏమి యాడ్ చేయలేదు కాబట్టి we have to add it some columns. Okay, now first let me remove this page visual level filter. Now let me add region. That is the region. Okay, here you can observe filters on this page. Filters on this page means like page level filter. Okay, I'm adding this region to region into the page level filter. Now if we select some region, okay, I'll select west region. You can observe in all these visuals, we are seeing only west region. Why? Because we have applied page level filter. When you apply some page level filter, that filter will applicable for all this visual in this page. Like we are in page 2. Okay, so if you apply some filter, that filter will applicable for all these visuals. Like ఎన్ని visuals ఉన్నా మనకి ఆ పర్టికులర్ పేజ్ లో ఉన్నటువంటి అన్ని visuals కి అప్లై అవుతుంది అన్నమాట. Okay, I mean in this page normally, like if you want to show only some particular regions, you can select only that particular regions. Okay, if we select like east, okay, the east also is showing. Okay, now let me remove this. Okay, in page level filter we have region. Okay, and one more thing. Okay, in this like visual level filter, in this visual level filter I have region, sales and segment. Okay, region, sales and segment, but I want to apply some state filter. Okay, state column అనేది మనం ఇక్కడ యూజ్ చేయలేదు ఎక్కడ. ఓకే, స్టేట్ కాలమ్ అనేది ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడ యూజ్ చేయలేదు, కానీ ఐ వాంట్ టు అప్లై ఫర్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది స్టేట్స్ కి నేను ఈ విజువల్ కి అప్లై చేయాలి. సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది స్టేట్స్ మాత్రమే నేను సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. అప్పుడు ఓకే, అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలంటే ఇక్కడ మనకి యాడ్ డేటా ఫీల్డ్ హియర్ అని ఉంది కదా, ఇక్కడ ఈ 3 కాలమ్స్ మనము ఆల్రెడీ యూజ్ చేసాము ఆ విజువల్ లో, కాబట్టి మనకి 3 columns by default కనపడుతున్నాయి. Okay, if you want to add another column, okay, now let's assume like I want to add the state. Okay, I'm adding the state here. Okay, for the filters mean visual level filter for this particular visual. Okay, now when you add that filter, okay, అది ఈ పర్టికులర్ యొక్క విజువల్ కి యాడ్ కాదు, జస్ట్ ఫిల్టర్స్ లో యాడ్ అవుతుంది, ఆ విజువల్ ఫిల్టర్స్ లో యాడ్ అవుతుంది. Okay, now I'll select only one state. See, it's showing only ఈ నేను సెలెక్ట్ చేసినటువంటి స్టేట్ అనేది సౌత్ రీజన్ కింద వస్తుంది, కాబట్టి ఆ సౌత్ రీజన్ యొక్క సేల్స్ అనేది ఆ పర్టికులర్ స్టేట్ యొక్క సేల్స్ మాత్రమే చూపిస్తుంది. Okay, observe it. 0.05 million ఉంది. Okay, I'll select another state. Okay, let me put it focus mode. Yeah, you can observe it. Now I just selected one state. ఈ నేను సెలెక్ట్ చేసినటువంటి స్టేట్ వచ్చేసి మనకి సౌత్ రీజన్ లో ఉంది. సో ఇట్స్ షోయింగ్ 0.05 million. Okay, let me select another state. Okay, this state, okay, this state is okay under west region, so it's showing west region sales. Okay, let me select other one. Okay, unselect. Now you can observe. Okay, see this one, this state is again coming under south region, so the sales will get increase when I select this. చూడండి, నేను ఈ స్టేట్ సెలెక్ట్ చేయగానే మనకి 0.05 million ఉండేది ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, ఈ స్టేట్ సెలెక్ట్ చేయగానే సి 0.05 ఉన్నది 0.06 million కి అయింది అనమాట. సో అగైన్ ఈ పర్టికులర్ స్టేట్ అనేది ఈ యొక్క సౌత్ రీజన్ లో వస్తుంది, కాబట్టి వాల్యూస్ అనేవి ఇంక్రీజ్ అయినాయి. సో లైక్ దిస్, if you want to select like some of the particular states and all, you can select it here from here. Okay, let me select something and select here some of the states we can select here. Okay, see, it's showing. So like this, ఆ పర్టికులర్ విజువల్ లో యూజ్ చేయనటువంటి ఫీల్డ్ ద్వారా కూడా మనము ఫిల్టర్ చేయొచ్చు. ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి మన స్టేట్ అనేది ఈ విజువల్ క్రియేట్